Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Nexxt Home app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Nexxt Home is a smart home management app that works with a variety of Nexxt Solutions smart devices, such as smart plugs, cameras, light bulbs, and switches. It allows users to control all compatible devices from their smartphone, enabling remote access, automation, and real-time monitoring. The app supports voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant, along with features like device grouping and scheduling. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The user interface is minimal and intuitive, which makes setup and operation relatively easy even for beginners. Devices usually pair quickly, and features like automation and scenes work as expected. The live camera feed is stable in most cases, and scheduling options for lights and plugs are well received by users who want to cut down on electricity usage. That said, the app isn't flawless. Several users have reported occasional delays in device response or issues with syncing. Some devices may go offline without warning, and reconnecting them can be frustrating. App updates sometimes introduce bugs or require reconfiguration of existing settings.